We've always tried to give people the tools to don't trust, but verify, right? Like that's the whole spirit of Bitcoin. You know, Adam and I, we're not two-time founders. You know, we didn't go to Harvard and Stanford. We had to earn the trust of our clients by showing them that we were doing the right things. The proof of reserves report that we do, we were the first lender to do this. And we did this in 2021, I think was our first one. Yeah, 2021 was our first one. And again, people were calling us the boring Canadians. Like, why are you guys bringing these? Like, what are these reports? Like, you know, give me more tokens. And we said, well, no, the issue is when you build that transparency into the business from day one, everything you layer on top of it has to fit in it.
Yeah.
When you try to retroactively bring proof of reserves to a business with hundreds of assets and hundreds of products, it is impossible to do. Why do you think more firms haven't done them? After the world is clamoring for them. It's because it's impossible. Yeah. They can't, they're too far gone. The train's too far gone. It would take them, you know, hundreds of man hours, thousands of man hours to you know, tee up the book so that it shows the numbers the way they are.